Hey everyone, Justin Perry here, and today I'm going to be talking about Iteration 3, laying down the foundation. However, before I start, just want to give everyone some details on the video. I'm going to try to make this video as non-technical as possible. So for this video, I'm going to focus on describing the features only. So in a sense, showing what I've done rather than how. Let's get started. First, let me explain what I mean by laying down the foundation. For the NPCs to accomplish their goals, I felt that I needed to expand the UDK by importing different external technologies. I did this for a couple of reasons. First, I had already developed an existing software which I wanted to be integrated. And second, and probably more importantly, I wanted the freedoms of using different languages. So the essence of this particular iteration was to see if these external technologies could be used and combined into the current NPC game, which thankfully was yes, it can be done. Before this iteration, if a player turned off the game and restarted, the NPCs would assume its default behavior. Now when the game ends, the NPCs will save their current behavior to a database as shown here. If I highlight a single NPC, we can see the information has been stored. When the game restarts, this NPC, like all other NPCs, are remembering their last behavior. The system is also capable of saving and loading with other maps. If you saw my video about Iteration 2, you will know that this map has a culture. Cultures, similarly, can be saved and loaded. However, it's not necessary to have cultures within a map. Another feature that's been added is a graphical user interface, or GUI, to show the real-time information of both NPCs and cultures. In this case, the map that's been played has 5 NPCs, and the GUI has recognized this. As you may have noticed, there are blue lines being drawn between the NPC icons. This represents a pseudo-conversation taking place. If I click on one of the icons, it brings up a small window with descriptive information about the NPC. These windows will become more detailed in later iterations. The last thing I want to show is the same process can be done with cultures, which again, if I click it, it shows a window describing the details about this particular culture. Finally, this whole system that I've developed will now be called the Gossip Sociocultural Network, or GSCN. That's the official end of the demonstration. I would like now to take some time to talk about the project itself. What I've decided for the even number iterations is that I will focus on the social psychology aspects more than the technical. For the odd number iterations, the focus will be on more technical features. I'm going to see how this works out for me. And with that said, Iteration 4 will focus on developing the NPC's self. I should also add, I would like to create a video that would target a more technical knowledge audience. That video would explain in detail what's going on and how that's been achieved. In addition, I would like to try a Q&A session, because I'm interested in what people think about the project. I would also keep the questions related to the project. There are further details in the description box. Okay, that's it from me. Any feedback, of course, will be great, and please subscribe for further updates.